This happens all the time. Sound hobbyists come to me with a beautiful random collection of instruments. And more often than not, we have to start over. Not because they did anything wrong, but because healing sessions require something most trainings never teach, and that is a method. If you bought crystal bowls, the gongs, the chimes, the drums, and you still don't feel fully confident leading a session, you're not alone. Most people are taught to play intuitively, and intuition is powerful, but intuition without structure creates inconsistent results. You might recognize this, feeling nervous before sessions, wondering if you're actually helping or just playing random sounds, not knowing what to do when emotions come up, not knowing how to begin or how to close a session without guessing, and quietly thinking, I want to do this seriously, but I still feel like a hobbyist. Imagine walking into a session knowing exactly what you're doing, knowing why you're choosing each sound, knowing how to guide the room from start to finish with clarity, and having people consistently tell you that was exactly what I needed. Not because you hoped it worked, but because you understand why it works. Sound healing is not performance, it's sound as medicine. And medicine requires skill, a sequence, and understanding how sound interacts with the nervous system, the body, and the emotional state of the people in front of you. I've been serving sound for 18 years, led thousands of sessions. Over the years, I've held space for families, executives, veterans, people in recovery, cancer survivors, high achievers under stress, and corporate teams at some of the biggest companies in the world. Even worked with A-list entertainers. People I had to sign NDAs for, some of the most recognizable names on this planet. And what I learned is this: sound meets everyone the same, because underneath titles, the roles, the stories, we are human nervous systems responding to vibration. When you work with sound professionally, you have a responsibility to everyone in the room. You don't know who is walking in carrying grief, trauma, stress, physical pain, or emotional overwhelm. That's why this work requires integrity, balance, and an understanding how to create a safe, ethical container for all walks of life. Sound healing works best when intuition meets method. Because when you understand the medicinal properties of sound, working with sound, the way an herbalist works with plants, knowing what each one does to the human system, your intuition is supported by technique. Your facilitation becomes skillful, and people consistently leave your sessions better than they walked in. A surgeon doesn't improvise with random tools. A chef doesn't throw random ingredients into the pot and hope it tastes good. And a yoga teacher doesn't wing a class without understanding safe sequencing. Sound healing is the same when it's done professionally. I give you a blueprint you can plug your instruments into, so you're never guessing what to do first, what to do next, and how to close a session so people leave feeling balanced and integrated. This is session design, energy architecture, a way to create flow so the sound can actually do its job. This training is for you if you bought the instruments but lack confidence. Your sessions feel intuitive but inconsistent. Your instruments collection feels random instead of cohesive. You want to work safely with groups and know how to handle what comes up. And you want to offer privates, the groups, the corporate, the indoor, the outdoor sessions. You want to build a real practice with pricing structure and professionalism. And for some of you who haven't bought the instruments yet, you feel called to do this work, but you don't want to waste time or money buying the wrong things. I guide you from the very beginning, the knowledge, the skills, what to purchase, why, and how to build an instrument collection that actually works together. So whether you're starting fresh or starting over, you're supported to do this right from the beginning. I've seen this method support a yoga teacher creating the most powerful shavasana her students have ever experienced, a nurse bringing peace to patients in recovery, an acupuncturist sealing the energetic shifts with sound, a practitioner helping a corporate team reset after months of pressure, A circle of women ushering a new mother to be at a baby shower with presence and love. Once you understand how to work with sound this way, it becomes a foundation you can bring into any setting. I've been training students for over 8 years now, hundreds of sonic being practitioners. And all of this comes from real life experience. Over the past 18 years, I've performed thousands of sound baths in every type of setting you can imagine. What you're learning in this training is beyond theory. It's what actually works in the field. This training actually started as a weekend crash course, and I quickly realized it wasn't enough. I was cramming too much into 2 days, and students walked away wanting more clarity, more practice, and more depth. So the training evolved into the complete method you now see today. Because this work can't be learned in fragments, it has to be understood as a whole. The program is also endorsed by respected third-party associations, and for those seeking professional credentials, you can earn continuing education credits through this training as well. By the end of the program, you'll know how to design, facilitate, and confidently lead sound sessions for individuals and groups in a way that is safe, cohesive, and deeply impactful. Sound is becoming one of the most important wellness tools of our time, not because it's trendy, because our nervous systems need it. We live in an overstimulated world, and people are craving a way back to themselves. If you feel called to serve sound as medicine and you're ready to step into this work with skill and integrity, click below to see if this training is right fit for you. You'll answer a few short questions, and from there, you can enroll directly into the self-paced sonic being method or join the waitlist for the next live hybrid training. This work isn't for everyone, but if it's for you, you'll know.